Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Sen. It's been 15 months since your first procedure.
Months, yeah.
And huge transition. Went from zero hair, focusing on about 3/4 of an inch in that frontal hairline, redefining the facial features. Definitely, it came back for just a small quarter-size area that we're going to fine-tune. But overall, redefined her facial features, which is incredible. Tell us your experience.
Well, I mean, the recovery is long, but it's worth it. I like that it really does make my face smaller than it used to, and I don't feel conscious anymore about, my forehead looking bigger than it used to. I mean, the process, the procedures, is not bad at all, but it's just a recovery that you have to keep in mind. I mean, I love the result. I think it's worth it.
Now I'm going to go ahead and show you, we'll show you before pictures, but this is her new hairline. She's got just a beautiful, well-transitioned hairline, filled in so nicely. So perfectly hidden on both the left and the right side. So just nice curves that she elected to see and looks absolutely amazing.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.